What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are doing, as you can see in the thumbnail, a little unboxing video here for the Rovan Baja 5B. We have a good friend of mine recently acquired it, and so he asked me if I would do the setup for him, which I absolutely appreciate. So we're going to be setting it up on his Spectrum radio as well. So we've got that, and we've got our, oh goodness, I knew I would put it somewhere and then forget where I put it. Anyway, we're also going to be putting the kill switch on there, the dynamite kill switch. From Horizon. I run these on all of my cars. I've had good luck with them. Both LiPo cars, you know, cars using LiPo for the battery supply, and the hump pack style. So, and like I said, this is our unboxing. So, in the box, you will get a mixing can. Some guys mix feelings about these, but if it's all you got, it's all you got. You know what I'm saying? So they are graduated. They tell you on there. And you get a bag of goodies, right? You got your lug wrench. Looks like there's a charger cord in there for your USB. Some stickers. Some more wrenches, Allen's spark plug wrench there. And looks like a installation, if you will, guide. Probably we'll pull it out. We'll take a look at it. Startup guide. We get our wing. Some more stickers, and with the wing as well. Now this, I will say, I am impressed with. These stock tires that are coming are really nice. A little bit jealous. I really like the red beadlock. That actually jumps out quite a bit. So we do have to install the tires. Rears as well, and again, those are a really nice pattern. Take a look at those guys. Those are actually decent foam in there. Not a super hard foam, but feels good. So there's our rears. Does come with a radio, and like I said, we are putting it on mats, but it does come with the RFS radio, and just so we do a full unboxing here, we'll show you guys exactly what you get when you make this purchase at home, if you will. And it looks like, I'm glad to see, it's a Dumbo radio, which I am a huge fan. I can just tell by the way that it's designed. I am a huge fan of the Dumbo. This is what you get with the Dumbo radio. It is the 6-channel. So 5 and 6 up here. You got your trim, your adjustments, channel 4, channel 3. So I am a real big fan. If you can see behind me, I have the Dumbo DDF 350 as well as the base Dumbo 6-channel. Excuse me, this is the 4-channel. But one of the things I will show you guys about the Dumbo radios is really cool. If you look right inside there where my finger is, you're going to see a little JST port. And what's nice about those is you can use, of course I don't have one handy, a small 2S battery to power it. Here, I'll show you guys on my radio. I love them. Absolutely love being able to do that and keep them monitored. Of course, your digital is going to tell you your voltage. That's not. But so this is what you're going to get with the Rofun car. Notice the black and red matched to the car, which we are going to go ahead and pull out now for you guys. Drum roll, please. beautiful weather in Arizona today. I think we were getting close to 100 degrees today, guys. Believe it or not, already. And yes, it is only March 14th. Alrighty. The car has it is covered, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab it by the roll cage. Get the box out of the way. And there she is. Let me could have been a little bit more prepared. That's okay. Is that better? How's that, guys? Is that better? Okay. Now you can see it too. I'm really liking these. Hub protectors came with it. Black hubs, that's nice, nice. Red cap shocks. And it looks like, okay guys, just a little more of that, the unboxing and the setup on the Rovan 5B. So this is what you're going to get in the vehicle. 6 volt. Standard. You get your charger, and red flashing means that it's charging. This is an instruction manual. I'm an idiot. I actually said installation earlier. And it's got all of your part numbers and so on, vehicle breakdown, all that good stuff for you, so that you know what part is what when you need to order or replace something. So you're good there. You get that. And then we're going to let her charge up right now. And we're going to go ahead and get this new kill switch installed. Get the new radio bound up. And we'll see you guys in the next clip. And you're on video now, so now there's no messing up. Did you get it? Yeah, you did. I do it coming this way. You see how I'm coming this way and I pull it forward? It's a lot harder to turn it off. For those that are watching at home, there's your power. Power switch is on the bottom. Kill switch light is on. We can look under here. It's okay. All right. She's you got your radio on, right? Yeah. Okay. She's ready to rock. You didn't choke her at all, so yeah, choke down. No, down. There you go. That's good. She popped. She popped. You're going to flood her if you keep pulling her. This is where guys mess up. This is just a warning for those of you guys out there. Take 2. Matt and his new toy, everybody.
you go. Go ahead and get on it a little bit. There you go. There you go. There's a little more open area over here, Matt, if you want to stretch her out a little bit. Just on the other side of these bushes. Over here, you see this little stretch? You got it. Nice! She wants to do a wheelie so bad. Congratulations, Matt. Look at that smile, everybody. Can't beat it. Can't beat it.